Hi Lalit. This is a small gift for you. This is a northern point of Europe. This North Cape or North Cape. I don't remember what is right. Now it is 14th of June and this is the coast of Atlantic Ocean. This is a really northern point of Europe. Look around. This is a really cool. This is a really ocean. It's not like an Indian Ocean, but this one biggest ocean in Earth. In this one, information in a Norwegian language. This is like a geographic, I don't know what's that, like a geographic point. Hi, how are you? I am fine. I think I will see you in the next year, not now, not on this year, because have some job, have some too much job in this year. Well, in August, maybe Yuri, I remember Yuri will come in August to Sri Lanka, and he will have a discuss with you about a new program in the north of Sri Lanka, Chinko, and discuss about the future. Well, see you.